Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god, let's go! Maucalay Road, North Melbourne. You know why I'm excited? Because look, it has the Hybird bells. Oh, seriously, it has the Hybird bells. Sorry about that. There was something in my way. Because literally, Hybird bells are so good. I never want them to remove it ever again. Anyways, you can also see that the Citylink freeway is up there. And Arden Street's just down there. Yeah. Anyways, let's go for a tour now. The first signal we have over here has a McKinnon Holm signal base. Don't know what that thing is. A backstop on the sewer sign, two LEDs on Westinghouse press arm, a 2-track sign, and a Hybird bell, and a whisbourne gate with not sure how many Artcraft Gatelights. 3 Artcraft Gatelights. Okay. Okay. It's actually kind of rare to have the Maucalay station under the freeway. That would be really cool. Anyways, let's wait for the train like usual. But first, I want to look at that beautiful river first. Meet you guys there. Okay, I'm here. Look at the beautiful view. It's kind of nice, don't you think? Right, guys? Yeah, it's quite nice. Okay, I'm leaving here. Okay, I just got back from the river. Now we'll wait for the train like usual. Also, I forgot to mention about that thing. That thing over there, that signal is a bit bent. Not quite sure why. Oh yeah, and this instructions. Sorry, my phone was almost running low. Anyways, just look. Yeah. Okay, the announcement is here, and it's the bloody announcement. I should add like a service, I should make like a service board, like saying how many minutes the train is coming. Like, instead of that stupid lady just saying blah 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 and yapping a lot, and it's really annoying. I miss the male voice a lot. I wish it would come back. Also, the Hybird bells are a bit so loud. And whoever broke that signal has to go to jail. I mean, who would even break any signals? God, I think I hear a train on. Coming. We have to wait for it till it turns on. Okay, it's gonna turn on. It's gonna turn on. And it's gonna turn on. It's gonna... Oh, now it did! Wait, that car? The Hybird bell sounds really slow. The car looks like a teardrop bell. Okay, I saw the train. It's coming right now. And it's an outbound College train heading to Flinders Street. It is. Looks like Hybird bells are turning into teardrop bells. Oh, it scared me. There we go, the train's here now. because the Hybrid bell is so loud. Wait, is there another? Oh look, there's another train! Yes, and it's an EDI Commons train. Heading to upfield. Also, I forgot to mention it's on the upfield line. And I just finished. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.